So, Elmworks has developed a precision manufacturing platform for electric motors and other wire-wound devices. We can take the best parts from coil winding and the best parts from PCB fab to do additive electronics with 10 times higher signal density, 6 times lower resistivity, and 25 times lower material cost than competing approaches. For electric motors, we can achieve significantly improved copper fill fractions, novel winding topologies, and tightly integrated sensing and control, all on a platform flexible enough for development runs, but scalable enough for high volume production. About half of global electricity is used by electric motors, whether that's in an electric vehicle or in the huge numbers of pumps, blowers, and compressors that run our world. Despite this, the manufacturing of these wire-wound devices remains capital-intensive, labor-intensive, and performance-limited. Precision motor manufacturing means substantially less required rare earth materials like neodymium, better utilization of electrical materials like copper and steel, and lowered requirements for battery materials like lithium and cobalt. A clean, decarbonized world will be driven by electric motors. To build it, we need technologies like ours to make the best use of the materials we have.